Today I'm going to show you how to view your most recent nutrient data, download your nutrient maps, and how to use the insight tools available in MyFarm to better understand your field data. On the home page, start by selecting the fields or crops you want to view. You can select the fields by clicking in the map view or on the table. Now click Map View on the right-hand side of the screen. You can view all of your layer types here by changing the selection. You can also view or hide the legend showing the parts per million or the indices. On the left-hand side of the screen, click Saved Views, and then click Nutrient Analysis. This will show the most recent nutrient analysis results for the field you have selected. If you'd like to gain further insight, you can use the Layer Inspector. Click the icon and then click within the field. This box will pop up detailing the sample date and specific values. If you'd like to create a PDF of your maps, you can use the PDF tool on the right-hand side called Sample Results. Select the results you'd like to view and click Export PDF. In the pop-up, you can select exactly what you'd like to print on the map. If you click the arrows, you can choose the features you'd like to see on the map. If you toggle to Advanced Settings, there are more features available for printing. Once you're happy with your selections, click Create Report. The PDF report will appear in your downloads. You will see the field sampled, whole farm OS and nutrient maps, and histograms showing the index ranges and the individual field data. If you'd like to know more about your nutrient maps, you can contact your local precision area manager or get in touch using the details on the screen.